Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do okra yogurt. Firstly, we are going to fry our okra. We need to set our pan over medium heat with some oil. We need to fry our okra long enough for any slime to cook out, about 10 to 15 minutes. After frying our okra, now we are going to add mustard seed, some onions, and some curry leaves, and some dry chillies. Mix it all together and a little bit of turmeric. After sauteing our dish, now we are going to add some salt and mix it all together. Now for the yogurt, in this video we are using Nestle branded yogurt. The viewers can use any kind of branded yogurt. After adding the yogurt, now we are going to add our fried okra. Mix it all together. Make sure our okra is covered fully with our yogurt so that you can actually taste it. Next, we are going to add the mixture that we sauteed earlier into our yogurt. Mix it all together. Now we are going to add some salt and pepper. This dish is a perfect combination to be eaten with our curry and rice. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it. Thank you for watching.